The Walmart MoneyCard is a reloadable prepaid debit card from Green Dot Bank that works a lot like a basic checking account, but without any credit check or traditional bank approval. It is set up for people who live in the Walmart ecosystem and want direct deposit, bill pay, FDIC insurance, and rewards, all wrapped into a mobile-first account. There is a monthly fee of $5.94, but that fee is fully waived if at least $500 in direct deposits hit the account each month, so regular paycheck or benefits users can effectively bring the monthly cost down to zero. Where this card stands out is how it rewards Walmart heavy spending and basic saving. Cardholders can earn up to $75 per year in cash back, with 3% back on Walmart.com orders, 2% at Walmart fuel stations, and 1% in Walmart stores. For a prepaid card, that is a strong structure, and for someone who does most shopping at Walmart, it can feel like finally getting some of the benefits usually reserved for credit card users. On top of that, there is a savings vault feature that pays 2% APY on balances up to $1,000, which is solid for a built-in savings bucket and can help people slowly grow a small emergency fund. There is no APR involved here because this is not a credit card. It is prepaid debit only. The Money Card also targets common cash flow pain points. With early direct deposit, paychecks can show up to 2 days early and government benefits up to 4 days early, which can make a real difference for anyone living paycheck to paycheck. Fee-free cash withdrawals at Walmart money centers and customer service desks give easy access to cash without ATM surcharges, as long as Walmart locations are convenient. For unexpected shortfalls, optional overdraft protection up to $300 on purchase transactions offers a cushion, as long as there is eligible direct deposit and overdraft is repaid quickly. If the overdraft is not covered within 24 hours, there is a $15 fee, which is cheaper than many bank overdrafts, but still a real cost. The flip side is that the card can get expensive or limiting if not used in the ideal way. That $75 yearly cash back cap looks small once monthly Walmart spending grows. Serious Walmart shoppers could hit the limit quickly and then earn nothing more for the rest of the year. If the $500 direct deposit requirement cannot be met, the $5.94 monthly fee, about $71.28 per year, can easily eat up most or all of the rewards, turning what looked like a perk into a net cost. Cash reloads are another weak spot. Using the app at Walmart keeps them cheap, but loading cash elsewhere or at a Walmart register without the app can cost up to $5.95 per reload, which is steep for frequent cash users. Travel and ATM access are also pain points. There is a 3% foreign transaction fee on purchases outside the US, so this card is not built for international trips or foreign online shopping. Outside of Walmart, ATM withdrawals cost $2.50 each, and that is before any operator surcharge the machine itself adds, so regular off-network ATM use can get expensive fast. Even the overdraft protection, while helpful, comes with that $15 fee if a negative balance sits longer than 24 hours, which is a lot for a card aimed at budgeting and lower income users. In summary, the Walmart MoneyCard can work very well for someone who shops heavily at Walmart, can consistently set up at least $500 a month in direct deposits, and wants simple, no credit check access to banking-style features, cashback, early pay, and a 2% APY savings vault on up to $1,000. Used in that sweet spot, it can feel like a low-cost, rewards-focused alternative to a checking account. But the risks are real. Miss the direct deposit threshold and the $5.94 monthly fee starts to cancel out the rewards, reload cash the wrong way, and reload fees pile up, rely on non-Walmart ATMs and extra charges hit hard, and use it abroad, and that 3% foreign transaction fee becomes painful. Anyone considering this card needs to be honest about their direct deposit situation, where they shop, how they use cash, and how often they might overdraft, because the same features that save money for the right user can quietly cost money for the wrong one.